Okay, what are you doing, Karen?
Well, I'm sweeping away the hay that these ungrateful girls have left, so we can put the grain down now.
Who's this you're in front of right now?
Fetsa.
It's Betsy?
Fetsa.
Oh, Fetsa.
Fetsa girl.
Oh, Fetsa girl.
Yeah. And this is Rachel. This is the most beautiful cow in the world. Aren't you, Rachel? She's not very loving.
No.
Okay. This is Becky.
Hi, Becky.
Hi, Dad.
Let me get a zoom in on Becky.
Oh, zoom in on you, Becky. Becky got a haircut.
Oh.
She looks beautiful.
Does Becky give milk?
Yes, she does very well, and she has very high butter fat.
Okay, what's she been giving?
Oh, about 5.6 butter fat. 30 pounds of milk.
And how far into her lactation is she?
About 100 days or 120 days.
Oh, Okay.
Susie's giving you a kiss.
I know. Too bad I can't take a picture of Susie kissing. Okay, Karen, you're feeding them what?
I'm feeding them a mash mix, which is a combination of canola meal, distiller grain, corn, soy, molasses, minerals, and salt. And it works out to be 20% protein. And each cow gets fed according to how much milk she's producing right now. So Harriet, because she's doing 50 pounds of milk, she gets fed 7 pounds of grain twice a day. This grain twice a day. She also gets fed about 25 pounds of corn silage twice a day, and 3 pounds of cornmeal once a day. She gets second cut hay in the morning and first cut hay at night, and all the water she can drink.
Okay, now, this grain that you're feeding now, how much is that a ton?
About $160 a ton, including the minerals and molasses mixed with it.
Okay, so that means it's costing what, about 8 cents a pound?
Yep, 8 cents a pound.
So that cow right now, 8 cents a pound, is getting how much grain, did you say?
7 pounds.
Twice a day, though.
Yep.
So that's 14 times 8.
Whatever that is.
Okay. That's
$1.08.
yeah, over $1. So, and you're getting how much a pound for milk?
We're getting
About 10.5 cents.
12 cents a pound. According to the government. And then they take out deductions and things. But she's still making us quite a bit of money a day over the cost of her feed.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.